Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on covering a new character model and some animations that show it going up and down, left and right. So yeah, let's get into it. So you can see I've already imported new sprite. Just calling it a new character. Let's go ahead and put that in the sprites folder. Open up the scene, go on our character, and we are going to remove it and replace it with the new one. Go ahead and open up the sprite, and we're going to create a couple animations. One will be front, which should be frame 1 and 1 because it's the front animation. Again, a very simple character model that I just made really quickly. The next one will be back, and then we need right, which will be frame 2, and left, which is 3. So it goes by 0, 1, 2, 3, just so you guys know. And make sure you guys set the grid size to 64 by 75. I'll have a download link to the sprite sheet in the description. And go ahead and set the animation to front just by default. And we're going to set the size of the box to 0.4 and 0.75. We're going to get that offset of 0. So now if we go into our scripts folder, go ahead and open up the player script, and first thing we need to do is get rid of this. Instead of setting the horizontal flip, we actually have new animations for left and right. So we can go ahead and do set animation. Let's call this, so if the A key is down, so we're going to be going left, make that left, and we're going to change this to right, and then if A and D are down, we're going to copy and paste this, set animation. We're going to add a pair of brackets right here. Paste this in. And this is going to play our front animation, and go ahead and place the velocity.x equals 0 inside the brackets as well. And then go down here into, first grab this. For is key down W, so we're going to be moving forward, so we want the back to be placing, or our character's back to be facing the camera. So we're going to set the animation to back, and then for S, we're going to be moving down, so we want the character's front to be facing the camera. And then if W and S are both down, go ahead, set this equal to front, and make sure you put the velocity equals 0 back into the new pair of brackets that we just made. So we can go ahead and run the game now, and there we go. We have our new player model. He moves around, he looks in the direction that we want him to look, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys leave a like. I'm going to try and get some more tutorials up, and let me know what you guys would like to learn in Superpowers. If there's anything I can help you guys with, I would love to. Thank you for watching.